Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. All petroleum products, including 87 and 90 gasoline, automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel, kerosene, propane and butane will all increase by 25 cents each. Meanwhile, crude oil prices reversed their decline today as demand grew. The Energy Information Administration reported that 1.6 million barrels were pulled from stockpiles to satisfy the demand. However, oil prices were still down 16 cents to settle at $39.59 per barrel. A professor at Harvard University is urging Caribbean nations to use the challenges created by COVID-19 to fix the economic problems which have plagued the region. Dr. Peter Blair, who is also a Caribbean national, believes the pandemic presents a unique opportunity for regional leaders to reevaluate economic policies and decisions.
So what COVID-19 is really doing is it's exposed some of the vulnerabilities of the ways in which our economies have historically been structured. And I think that this is a great moment amidst this global pause for us to really sit back and to reflect and to say, why do our countries exist? For whose benefit? How are they structured to assure the safety and the vitality and the growth of its own people? There's a deep opportunity for us to reflect as individual countries and more broadly as regional partners in terms of coming up with national development plans and strategies for really advancing the future of the peoples of the Caribbean too.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.62. The Canadian dollar sold for $107.53. The pound sterling closed at $183.09, while the euro is going for $168.12. The National Commercial Bank is seeking to raise up to $175 million by way of the securitization of its diversified payment rights. The transaction will be rated by Fitch Ratings and placed in the international private placement market by Westwood Capital as arranger. Information on the transaction was revealed in a disclosure to the stock exchange this morning. Now, the transaction is expected to close by September 30. The JC Index lost 882 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 24 points. Among the winners were cargo handlers, Barita Investments, stationery and office supplies, General Accident, and the Lab. On the losing side, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Palace Amusement, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Key Insurance, and Jetcon Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.
The Business